Hey guys, hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Express NAUKRI. Hope you and your family members are safe and healthy. Are you searching for names of 15 common punctuation marks in English? Here we're going to explain how and when to use these punctuation marks correctly with examples. First one is period, or we can say full stop. Mostly used at the end of a declarative sentence or a statement that is considered to be complete. Periods are also used in abbreviations, such as in names or titles. Second is question mark. A question mark also ends a sentence, however, it ends a sentence that is a direct question. Third one is exclamation point. Used at the end of a sentence when that sentence expresses an intense emotion. Fourth is comma. The comma is used to show a separation of ideas or elements within the structure of a sentence. Additionally, it is used in numbers, dates, and letter writing after the salutation and closing. Fifth is colon. A colon has three main uses. The first is after a word introducing a quotation, an explanation, an example, or a series. The second is between independent clauses when the second explains the first, similar to a semicolon. The third use of a colon is for emphasis. Sixth is semicolon. A semicolon is used to separate two independent clauses, while still demonstrating that a close relationship exists between them. The semicolon does a better job of showing the connection between two statements than a full stop would. Seventh is dash. There are two kinds of dashes, the N dash and the M dash. The N dash shows range or connections. On the other hand, the M dash is used in places where a comma could also be used. Slightly wider than a hyphen, the N dash is a symbol that is used in writing or printing to indicate a range or connections. M dash. Twice as long as the N dash, the M dash can be used in place of a comma, parenthesis, or colon to enhance readability or emphasize the conclusion of a sentence. Eighth is hyphen. Hyphens might look like dashes, but they aren't dashes. A hyphen is used to join two or more words together into a compound term, and is not separated by spaces. Ninth is brackets. Brackets are the squared-off notations used for technical explanations or to clarify meaning. If you remove the information in the brackets, the sentence will still make sense. 10th, braces. Braces are used to contain two or more lines of text or listed items to show that they are considered as a unit. They are not commonplace in most writing, but can be seen in computer programming to show what should be contained within the same lines. They can also be used in mathematical expressions. 11th is parentheses. Parentheses are used to supply further details or information or as an aside. Parentheses can often be replaced with commas and the sentence would retain its same meaning. 12th is apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show that certain letters have been omitted from a word. The punctuation symbol can also be used to show the possessive form of a noun, in addition to indicating the plural form of lowercase letters. 13th is quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to denote text, speech, or words spoken by someone else. It is also used to indicate dialogue. 14th, ellipsis. Ellipses look like a set of three periods together. This punctuation symbol is used to show that there has been an omission of some letters or words. In many cases, ellipses are used to cut statements short to avoid unnecessary or irrelevant words that have no impact on the meaning of the statement being made. 15th is slash. We can use slashes to separate parts of the internet web, addresses and file names for some computer programs. We can use slashes for fractions also. Use a slash to separate the day, month, and year and date. Use a slash to show the word per in measurements. So guys, please subscribe this educational channel Express NAUKRI and like this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.